If your Vaillant boiler is displaying an F.84 fault code, it means the boiler has detected an issue with the flow and return temperature readings. While that may sound complicated, the fault is commonly caused by faulty sensors, circulation problems, pump issues, wiring faults, or restrictions within the heating system. I'm Michael from BeFix, gas-safe registered engineers covering London and surrounding areas. And in this video, I'll explain what the F.84 fault means, what causes it, and what can be done to fix it. So, what does the F.84 fault actually mean? Inside your boiler are two temperature sensors. One measures the temperature of the water leaving the boiler, known as the flow temperature, and the other measures the temperature of the water returning to the boiler. The boiler constantly compares these readings to ensure the heating system is operating correctly. If the readings become unrealistic or don't match what the boiler expects, it will lock out and display an F.84 fault code. In simple terms, the boiler believes the flow and return temperatures are incorrect or inconsistent. One of the most common causes is a faulty temperature sensor. Over time, sensors can wear out, drift out of calibration, or fail completely, causing incorrect readings. Another common cause is poor circulation. If water cannot move properly through the system due to a faulty pump, airlock, partially closed valve, or blockage, the temperature readings can become unstable and trigger an F.84 fault. Sludge and magnetite contamination can also restrict circulation and create abnormal temperature differences throughout the system. Electrical faults are another possibility. Damaged wiring, loose connections, or poor communication between the sensors and the boiler's PCB can result in inaccurate temperature readings. So how does a gas-safe engineer diagnose an F.84 fault? We start by accessing the boiler diagnostics and comparing the live readings from both temperature sensors. The sensors are tested, wiring connections are inspected, and the circulation side of the system is checked. This includes verifying pump operation, system pressure, water flow, and looking for signs of sludge or restrictions. By following a structured diagnostic process, we can determine whether the fault is caused by sensors, wiring, circulation problems, or the boiler's control board. Now, what can homeowners safely check themselves? Check the boiler pressure first. Most Vaillant boilers operate between 1 and 1.5 bar when cold. You can also bleed any radiators that contain air and then reset the boiler. If the fault returns, professional diagnosis will be required. The good news is that most F.84 faults are repairable once the root cause has been identified. Whether the issue is a faulty sensor, pump problem, wiring fault, or circulation issue, the correct diagnosis will lead to the correct repair. If your Vaillant boiler is displaying an F.84 fault code and you need professional help, contact BeFix today. We're gas-safe registered engineers providing boiler diagnostics, servicing, and repairs across London and surrounding areas. Call 020-805-84241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your service. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. BeFix. Reliable, local, gas-safe.